we'll guide you through how to create an Asana template, making it easier to manage recurring tasks or projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and navigate to the project you want to use as a starting point for your template. Once you're in the project, look for the Project Actions menu, which is typically represented by 3 dots in the upper right corner of the project header. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, select the option labeled Convert to Template. This will turn your existing project into a template, which you can then customize to suit future projects. Now, you'll see a new section where you can set up the template details. Here, you can adjust the name of the template, add a description, and decide if you want to include any specific tasks, assignees, or due dates. It's a good idea to leave out specific assignees unless the tasks will always be assigned to the same person. You can also create custom sections or tasks if needed. Once you're satisfied with the template setup, click Save to finalize it. Now, whenever you start a new project, you can use this template by selecting Use a Template, and then choosing your newly created one from the list. This saves you time and ensures consistency across similar projects. Remember, you can always go back and edit the template if things change or you need to update it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.